1 10,000?
Yes. For each whole number pH unit, that's a 10-fold difference. In this case, the difference between 6 and 4, excuse me, 6 and 2 is 4, and it'd be 10 to the 4th, or 1,000-fold difference. So a solution of pH 2 would have 10,000-fold concentration greater than that of pH 6. That's something else. Any questions? Okay, today what you're going to be doing is you're going to take an unbuffered solution of water. It has what's called a pH indicator in it. Now, a pH indicator is a chemical that changes color with changes in pH. But it's qualitative, all right? So you're going to be measuring the pH as you first add a base, and our base is sodium hydroxide, and it's 0.05 molar sodium hydroxide. That's the base. You're adding the solution. Then you're going to add it a drop at a time to the water. This is unbuffered water. And I want you to look at the color, record the color, and any change in color, and then also record the pH. We're using a pH meter for that, which we use on our laptops. Okay, we've got a pH probe. And we do this dropwise until you bring it up to pH 8. pH 8, then you stop. Record the total number of drops it has taken to bring that solution up to pH 8. Now, I'll tell you right now, the solution's not going to start at 7. Actually, water would be 7. There was nothing in it, but we've got some stuff in it. So it's probably going to be a little below 7 to start with. Okay? Then you're going to take the same solution and add acid to it. And the acid here is 0.05 molar hydrochloric acid. You can bring that solution now back down to pH 4, adding a drop at a time. And each time, you look at the color change and read the pH. Okay? Clear? Whatever you do, when you bring it up here, don't throw that away. You want to bring that same solution back down to 4. So you first take it up to 8, unbuffered water, and then bring it back down to pH 4. How much? Probably haven't read in your lab manual. Those of you that read your lab manuals. 50 milliliters. Unbuffered water. Make sure it's unbuffered water. Put the buffered water here. And don't put acid or base in there. All right? They're all labeled, so read the labels. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing with unbuffered water, except you're going to use only 10 milliliters of the unbuffered water. Again, get the original color and pH, then add a drop, check color and pH, and bring it again, up again to pH 8, and then back down to pH 4. Same solution. But make sure it's only 10 milliliters, otherwise you're going to be here a long time trying to bring it down. Because what the base, or what the buffer should do is what? It's going to resist change in pH. You're going to have to add a lot more acid and base to affect the same pH changes. Up to 8, back down to 4. Any questions? All right, the apparatus looks like this. The rest around the carts you see here, little trays spread around the room. You're going to get one of those stands over there. Now you're going to have two